Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get rid of yellow line Capcut. So basically what is this yellow line and what is the purpose of this on Capcut? They say if you want to see your video visually, you can tap this one, but if you think that this one is not necessary, then you want to turn this one off, then the first thing you should do is you have to go to shortcut above because maybe the reason why you turn this one on is that you have typed a shortcut right here. For example, as you can see here, the S or the letter S, if you tap this one, then it will turn on this yellow line, but it doesn't say here how to turn this one off. So basically, what you're going to do is you have to go to the right side and then you will see this preview access right here. And in order for you to turn this one off, you just have to click that. And that is the first method. So like what I've mentioned earlier, when you type the letter S, it will turn on the preview access. So to turn this one off, you just have to simply tap this S or the letter S again, even though it did, stated here, it's not stated in there, in the shortcut, but all you have to do is to type this S again or tap the S again, and it will turn off this preview access or a yellow line here on your CapCut. I do really hope that this video helped you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again in our next video tutorials.